Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. It's early in the morning right now. It's freaking Thursday, I think. I actually have no idea what day it is. Let me check. It's Thursday. It is Thursday. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm up getting ready for work. So I thought I would do like a get ready with me. And I wanted to use this, before I did my makeup, I wanted to use this Microdermabrasion system. So if you watched my last video, I went to Walmart and got a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. And this was one of them. And this is a pore extracting diamond Microdermabrasion skin resurfacing system. So that's what it says. And I've had microdermabrasion done once at this esthetician a while ago. I did a video on that too, I think. But so I just really wanted to see what it do, because I think it says that it's like gonna suck all the nastiness. Because you know how like you go in the mirror and you do like this, and then you like do like this, and you just squeeze all the stuff out of your face. I don't know, that's weird. There's this thing I follow on YouTube. It's on Facebook too. It's on Instagram too. And her name is Dr. Pimple Popper, and she's like this really pretty lady, and she's so cute, and she just pops people's pimples, and I don't know why I just like to watch that kind of stuff. It's nasty, but I can't look away, you know, and I just like to watch her do that. But so this is something like that. So it's gonna suck all the nastiness out. So I'm just really curious to see how it works, but I'm gonna do this before I put my, I'm gonna do this. I just got out the shower already. I've already washed my face. And I'm gonna try this, and then I'm going to put moisturizer on, put on sunscreen, and then that's it. Okay, so I'm opening this up. Open the box, and it comes with the little instructions here. First instructions. Oh, it comes with a little bag to carry it in, I guess. And this is what everything else looks like. It looks like this. Let me do a quick thumbnail. Okay, so it looks like this. And they had different colors too, but I like this. I was feeling this teal kind of color. Okay, so it already has the, ooh, it's kind of rough. It's supposed to be rough, like a little bit. So that's the diamond thing. This is what I had when I went to the esthetician. I remember how it felt and I remember how it worked, so she did it. Okay, so this, it comes with 4 different kinds of sucky knob things. So you can take this off. And I think you're supposed to charge it. Is it charged? It does not charge on the silver. Oh, it is charged. Okay. So how do I do this? Let's see. Cleanse skin with warm water, steam, warm washcloth to open pores. I wonder if I need to re-spray my face. Attach the diamond microdermabrasion tip and follow instructions below. Okay, it's already attached. Blah blah blah. Hit the on button to activate it. Blah blah. Okay, it's like, I don't know if you can hear that. It's kind of like, first you do this, and then attach the extracting suction cup, which is one of these. Oh, okay. So you do this, and then you do one of these. Okay, I'm just gonna try it. Oh, I feel it's like, okay, interesting. So what you do is you pull your skin up. Oh wow, I really feel a difference. I'm gonna do it right here because I have smile lines, because I smile a lot. So I finished doing that, and my skin's a little red and poofy, but that's because it's like sucking your skin. And I'm assuming that it's probably better, because if it's sucking your skin, it's bringing more blood flow to your skin to make it's gonna be more healthy, and then it's like scraping the dead skin off and stuff in the process. So I'm gonna do this one next, the sucky extractor thing. So I'm just gonna put this one. This was the smaller one. we're gonna do the same thing. You always wanna do, anytime you do anything with skin, you wanna pull your skin up and move upwards. Because if you pull your skin down, it's gonna, when you get older, it's not gonna be a good team. So hold your skin up. Even if you're like, oh, I really feel that. Even if you're like putting on lotion on your body, you always want to rub towards your heart because it helps your circulation. If you are putting on moisturizer on your face, you always want to go up. Everything's up. God, this is really working. Oh my gosh, y'all, this actually works. Like, I didn't think it would because I got it from Walmart, but look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Hold on, right there. Oh my God, that came out of my face. That came out of my face. It sucked it out of my face. Wow, this really works. And that's really nasty. I would smell it. That's so nasty. That's so nasty, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this off because I just can't. All right, so I cleaned that all out. And I'm just gonna put this in this bag and with everything else. And then, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use this right now. Okay, yeah, because you know I'll record these videos when I be pressed for time. But I'm about to use this while I put my makeup on. So this is a whitening system for your teeth. I drink a lot of coffee, so I wanted to whiten my teeth. So let me just see real quick. Blah, blah, blah. Prepare 3 easy steps. Prepare, brush your teeth with toothpaste and with water. I already did that. Squeeze small amount gel into both sides of the tray. So you just take this gel and they give you this little thing and you bite down on it, and then after you leave it for 15-20 minutes or 5 minutes for like regular whitening, and then you just rinse out with the soap. God, I hate it when that happens. Anyways, though, I'm trying to look at my teeth. I feel like it worked. Yeah, it definitely worked. I should have took a before and after. Why didn't y'all say nothing? I should have took a before and after. But this is me getting ready for work. I'm not gonna do nothing special. Like I have scrubs on. I work at. There's no point to. I'm not getting all ready for work. I've been using a powder foundation because I live in Arizona and it's been 114, 115 degrees outside. So if I use like liquid foundation, I feel like it'll just melt off, and it does just melt off. So I just use a powder foundation, little setting spray to hold it all in place. I use this Benefits brow brush thing, so it's for your eyebrows, and just fills them in a little bit with, I'm not gonna like do them, but it just fills them in just a little bit, like a tint. And that's about it. That's about it. That's how I get ready for work. This smells so good, y'all. I got this from Bath & Body Works. This is Champagne Toast. They're having like an annual sale right now. I'm surprised that they had Champagne Toast because this is actually a seasonal scent. They only bring it out around New Year's, like Champagne Toast. It's a New Year's scent. So I'm like, why do they have it right now? I was like, I hope they're not going out of business because of this recession shit. But yeah, I'm all ready to go. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Thumbs up if you like these. Thumbs up if you like these kind of videos because I can do more of these. These are cool. Please just please leave a comment below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. I gotta go.